ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Semput Menteri Rangba ka jela ba Preston Tensong ula ong ba umla satya ban pedang da lele ru halor ka jingkan tho jong National Vice President ka Bharatiya Janata Party Chuba Au ba ka sarkar MDA ka walai alam da ka NPP ka lapmet tang ban le ra bol sha Delhi ban khrong pisa na ka sarkar India haka jing ekran bekila pathai kubor ba Preston ula kan tha ya Chuba Au da ka ba ong ba udai ubadang khana shaba palat ha ka jili jong ka sain perthai Shushu lapan kesan ru dah kebaong lada day ya ke Kongres ni BJP habagi yok bat yu lakam sencar kin om lak like setia nak balik pan jingrap nak sarkar pedeng ha kenu ka kep kabagi don kam.
I've seen a statement made by Mr. Au, who is in charge of Meghalaya, which is highly regrettable. I think he should not use that word. He also belongs from northeastern states. Be it BJP, be it Congress, be it anybody. Ultimately, we need to go to central government, and then any state they are bound to go to the central government. It doesn't mean that if you have BJP government here, or like Assam, who is BJP government, they don't. Are you trying to say that they don't need to go to Delhi or what? They have to go to Delhi. Dr. Himanta Biswa, he has to go to Delhi, and then push for developmental grants and all to the respective state. That's what I'm telling you, Mr. Au, I think he's too young in politics. So I think he needs training. I think he needs some training. Because a person at his stature, you talking that way, I think that is nonsense and illogical. I don't say BJP. For me, I talk to the person concerned. Maybe his own opinion. Mr. Au, when he talk about it, I think he forget himself that he is also a leader of BJP. But that should not be the way of his statement made. Because as I said, you be it BJP government, be it Congress government, be it any government, be it TMC government, be it that coalition government in Maharashtra. I mean, chief ministers, we need to go to Delhi. We need to request. Once proposal is submitted, means you cannot just sit at home. It doesn't mean that the money will just come from heaven and then straight away to your secretariat. You need to go. We need to discuss. We need to negotiate. We need to follow it up. That is the system we are doing.